Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In previous videos, I talked about modules and packages in Python. If you didn't watch that videos, so go and check it out. So now in this video, I'll mainly focus on 15 important built-in functions which are available in the Python programming language. Right? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, it is part 3.3 in this Python series. So we have these 15 important built-in functions in Python. So now let's begin the lecture. So first up we have print function. Generally print function is a output function, right? Here we can see. So first let me give you example. So here in the print I pass 3. Now you can see it is printing 3 as it is, right? Now I want to print a string. You can see it is giving the string. Like this you can print list also. So we can call it as a output function. Output function, right? When we pass the information, it will give us back, right? Second one, we have min. Min means minimum. So first up, I want to take a list of values 1 2 3 4 5, right? So now I want to check the minimum number from this list. Yeah. The minimum number is 1. Number 3, we have max. The max function which gives the maximum number available in the list. Max of a list. Yeah. 5 is the maximum and 1 is the minimum. Number 4, we have round. Number 4, round function. So let's say I have a variable with the value of float 4.567, right? But I want to get only this 5. I don't want this 6 and 7. So round. In the round function, first we have to pass variable and then give here 1. It is giving only 1 decimal point, but I want 2. How can I do that? Round off var and give it here 2. So first here we have to pass the variable name and then here the decimal range. I want 2. Yeah, you can see it is giving 2 decimal points. I want 3 also. Like that it can give the range of decimal points. Number 5, we have str function. It's a string function, right? So here I have a value of 300. So now I want to convert it into the string. Just give the str and then pass our variable var. Yeah. Now you can see it is giving string. Also I want to check the type of this string. Yeah. You can see it is string only, because first our variable is integer. It is converting to the string and then the type of the string is string. Number 6, we have sum. So first I have this list here. So now I want to sum all these numbers which are available in the list. So first take sum and then pass our list variable. Yeah. Now it is giving the total sum of these numbers, right? Zip function. This function is used to combine 2 or more lists together into a single iterable, where elements from the corresponding positions are paired together. So here I have taken to list name and then roll number. Here we can see in the definition, corresponding positions are paired together. This list has 4 elements and this has 4 elements. In the index of 0 we have 4. So these two will match. And then for the Nikhil we have 1, and for the Sambhavi we have 3, and for the Asta we have 2. Like that it will match, right? So here I have taken mapped variable and then I have taken here zip function and I passed here name and roll number. So first I want to print this mapped. It is giving only the object. So now I want to convert it into the list of mapped, and then it is giving the output Manjit 4, Nikhil 1, Sambhavi 3 and Asta true, right? Number 8, we have int function. This function converts int value and float to int. Let's see. I have So here I have this string variable 4. I want to convert it into the int. Now you can see it is converted into the int. Now I want to check the type of this int. Yeah, it is giving integer. So now I have this float number. I want to convert it into the int. Int 3. It is converted to the int. This float point will be removed. Number 9, we have float. It converts float into float. Variable if I have this string value 5.6. So now I want to convert to the float. Now you can see it is converted to the float, and the type of float is float. For the same variable, I have this 7 int value. So now let's convert it to float. So for this, I have this 7. 7 is an integer. While converting to the float, it is going to add this 0, 7.0, right? Number 10, input. Number 10, input. It takes input. By default, input function takes string value only. Let me take a variable name input. You can pass a message also. Enter your name. My name is Bharat. I'm entering as a Bharat. Now let me print this name. You can see by default it is taking only string value. So now I want to take the input as an age. By default it takes only string, but now I want to convert it to the int. Int. Enter your age. Now you can see it is giving 22. The data is integer. Number 11, we have range function. 3 parameters: start, stop, step. For this we have to take a for loop for I in range. Starting is 0, stop is 10, and the step is 1. Print I. Yeah. Now you can see it is printing up. It is printing from 0 to the 9 only. But I want 10 also. And now change this 10 to the 11. You can get 10. So for step I'm using only the 1. I want to use it 2. So now let me change the step to the 2. It has taken 2 steps. For now I want to check for the 3. You can see it is taking 3 steps, right? Number 12, we have this length function. So first let me call our list. Our list has this many values. So now I want to check the length of our list. Our list has 6 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? With this function you can check the length of string, length of list, length of tuple also, right? Number 13, we have sorted. For this I want to take a roll numbers. The roll numbers are in the messy order. You can see it is in the messy order. With this function we can convert it to the ascending order or descending order, right? For now I want to convert it into the ascending order. Sorted roll number. Yeah, you can see it is converted to the ascending order from the smallest to the highest number. For the same rule numbers, I want to reverse the ascending order, I mean into the descending order. Rule reverse true. Yeah, you can see. So now it is in the form of descending, right? Number 14, we have type function. With this type function, we can check the type of any variable. Type of this rule number. Yeah, it is a list, right? I have this variable v and I have this value 5. So now, for now, I want to check the type of this v. V is, it is the integer. Now we have the float data. The type of is float. Number 15, we have a base function. This function return the absolute value. So here I have this negative 9.6. Now you can see it is converting it to the absolute form. I mean, it will remove the negative symbol. For the same, we have this negative 100 value. Now you can see it is going to convert into the positive, right? Here you can see the definition. The absolute value of any number is always positive. It removes the negative sign of a number in the Python, right? So guys, we have completed the 15 important built-in functions in Python, right? In the next video, we are going to do the project number 2, which is timed math challenge, right? So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.